In this video, we're going to talk about watching and being watched.
I see you.
To see what a character sees and to feel what they feel. This is What is the POV Shot? Similar to literature, cinema has the potential to switch between perspectives.
Camera 1, camera 2.
There are countless ways to do this with an equal number of effects.
Bet you can't answer any questions now, though, huh?
Let's take a look at the various genres, techniques, and effects that all rely on the point of view shot.
Do you mind?
Romance.
What kind of bird are you?
I'm a raven.
As we've seen, POV shots can be a fantastic way to connect with a character. In intimate and passionate scenarios, soft lighting and romantic music can only do so much. But when you add POV shots into the mix, we don't just watch someone fall in love, we can fall in love at the same time. Sci-fi.
What's your problem? I said, what's your problem?
Aliens and killer robots, the POV shot is a way to see through a completely foreign perspective. A clever way to help us truly grasp just how strange and unfamiliar these characters are.
Mommy?
Mental states. When you need to get inside someone's head and not only see what they see, but feel what they feel. The subjective point of view shot gives us a front row seat for a character's altered mental state. So far, we've been discussing subjective point of view shots. But let's expand our understanding of this technique to include an omniscient perspective. Every effect of these POV shots can be applied without assigning the point of view to a character or device.
They are watching. They'll see and they'll say, why, she wouldn't even harm a fly.
She's in pain.
Found footage.
She needs something stronger.
Found footage adds a meta layer to the POV shot.
It's the first time in over 2 decades that the mothership has shown any sign of movement.
Found footage brings a sense of realism that few other filmmaking styles outside of documentaries have been able to achieve.
The pyramid behind me has only 3 sides.
I'm sorry to everyone.
Oh, man.
Horror thriller.
Careful now.
In thrillers and horror films, the POV Shot list.
Eddie, you want to try it?
And the vulnerability of being watched. And we sit helpless, waiting for the inevitable.
Now you're in the sunken place.
Action. Sniper scopes, binoculars, helmet cams. The action genre often wants to put the audience directly in the line of fire. When you master the POV shot, you can bring a new perspective to your work. This starts during the shot list and storyboard process. Choose the shot specs in advance and bring your character's vision into your vision. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon for updates. We'll be watching you.